Welcome to the Newegg Creator program, where we think it's time for you to get paid for your content. As soon as you sign up, you can start getting sponsorships with some of the biggest names in tech. Newegg creators are the first people to get their hands on the latest tech.
And you can shoot right at your own home or here at our 10,000 square foot studio in Los Angeles. Plus, we offer some of the most competitive rates on our PC systems and components.
Not to mention, we have a 7-day tracking cookie where our leading competitor only has a 1-day tracking cookie. The longer the tracking cookie means, the more opportunities you can get paid when someone makes a purchase. And I mean, 1 cookie? Come on. So when you contact us, you're not gonna get some robot talking back to you. You're going to get a personalized Newegg manager, like Ricky here.
Hello.
So what are you waiting for? Go to newegg.com/creators and sign up today. Goodbye. Oh, we nailed it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You're still here.
Yeah. I've never been in an ad this long.
Yeah. I mean, it isn't like you have to wait for after the credits. You can just,
No, you guys can click at any time. All right, say please. Say please, Ricky.
Please, can you click?